Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm beginning to start a new hobby, and I think I'm going to find this interesting. Now, this new hobby required me to buy some new tools. So one of the new tools I'm going to show you is the first thing I bought for this hobby. And this could be used for several different things: woodworking, metalworking, just whatever. So let me pause this and I'll get back with you. If you've got any questions or concerns, shoot me an email, scrollsoftvideo@gmail.com, or leave a comment in the section below. And I'll be right back with you. Here's the item that I bought to help me with my new hobby. Now, before anybody says anything, I know the quality of Harbour Freight tools, but I didn't want to go out and spend $300–400 on a Airbrush compressor and Airbrush. This one was approximately $80 with the Airbrush and the compressor. So for a beginner set, I'm going to give this a shot, and if I really like airbrushing more, I'm going to get a better quality set. So here is the front. If you like to pause and get these numbers off of here. Now this is the rest of the box. On the front of the box it states quiet operation, delivers up to 58 psi constant pressure for a quality finish. Easy to change colors and easy to clean. This is item number 85630. So I have previously already taken it out of the box. Let me put this aside. Here is the air compressor itself. It's relatively light, probably weighs 4 pounds or so. Has a handle at the top. Off and on switch here on this end. Here's the pressure gauge. It has a water drain tank right here. I forgot what you call these. I guess it's an inline water filter. This will be where you put the air line coming out. Rubber feet on the bottom. The name Central Pneumatic on the side right here. So, not much else to say about this. Let me show you how quiet this thing is. Comes with a approximately 6-foot cord. I'm going to plug it in over here. And I'm going to continue talk with this machine on so you know how quiet it is. Okay, I'm sure you can hear that. Air's coming out the side here. You'll have no trouble hearing your cell phone or radio on top of this in your shop or wherever you're working. So I'm very pleased with the quietness of this, and I can't tell you right now how long this is going to last since this is my first one, so I'll keep you updated throughout the months. Turn this off. Okay, let's put this aside. This box is the airbrush that came with the kit. Hold it a little bit closer here. Try to get it out of the glare. Nice solid hard case that this came in. Protective plastic cover. Okay, here's the business end of the kit. This is a dual action instead of a single action. Kind of like the red color here on the end. Okay, hold it a little bit closer for you so you can get a better look. Here's one of the tanks here. This would connect at the bottom right here. This is the top tank. No, this is another smaller tank. It'd fit like this, or you put on the other side, such as this. That's what your paint goes in. So, looking down in this little cup here, let's get that to focus here. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but I did notice that this tube here does not go completely down to the bottom of the cup. So hopefully that's not an issue. This is another connector for your airline. Comes with a wrench. And this will be a hanging arm, so your compressor can sit on. Okay, let's put all this back together in here. Well, like I said, I've never really owned an Airbrush before, so I don't really know how to use one of these yet. I will get to learning this. Oh, forgot to show you, here's the airline for this. It did come with airline. Connect from this end of the compressor to the bottom portion of your airbrush. So, a little bit excited about this. I'll keep you informed, updated on my progress. If you have this, I'd like to know how you like it. If you don't like it, I'd like to have an honest feedback on this. I do appreciate you watching.